It's got to go left to right. No! I left it short.
You got one more.
Ah, what for par?
That's no. That's for no.
Too.
That's for birdie.
No, listen. 1, 2, 3, 4.
We almost did
Gotta
it.
get you to finish your par. We both did it.
Oh.
Alright, we're hitting up. This is how you professionally hit up on players. So
Yeah.
these guys have been taking too long.
Yeah.
They're
Show
on the
us
green.
with a
And it's
point.
going to be around and over the top. So. Get a lot of loft on it. That's on the green. Oh, shit. They're not going to like that.
Oi!
I don't want to make this mistake. That's cool. Alright, give us a wave. You're going to be in my personal vlog.
Yep, that's the way. World's best editor.
He's the world's best editor.
Yeah, I reckon. He's pretty good. Dad says so anyway.
He hired a gang war.
Hell yeah.
That's cringe. One of these days I'm going to buy a candle for $30. Bro, look.
I think that's like
They've got the old guy in it. Trooper.
got the burgers.
Ready?
That's actually good. They did it.
You reckon?
Yeah.
Alright.
What's Absol?
It's like a furniture company. They sell old office supplies. Hey.
Win, brother.
Filming ya.
Hey.
Yeah! Ah!
We lost. No.
That's for the win!
What the fuck? What the hell? Stop.